one complaint that people come to me constantly with is sleep. When we get into our 40s and into our 50s, people's sleep degrades. Females and males both. We start waking up in the middle of the night. For me, when I hit my mid-40s, I started to wake up pretty much every night between midnight and 3 o'clock, and I'd be awake for 2 hours. And it was miserable. It was just completely miserable. And I'd be exhausted during the day. I'm like, what is happening to me? Why can't I sleep? And the reason is because as our hormone levels drop off, our hormones are one of the things that tell our brain when we're supposed to be sleeping and when we're supposed to be awake. Melatonin is very well known for that, but progesterone and testosterone are also highly linked to our sleep cycles. When my hormones were optimized, I can now sleep through the night. I go to bed at 9:30, I wake up about 5:30. That's perfect for me. That's what my body likes to do. So can hormone optimization help you with sleep? Absolutely. And it's a really wonderful tool for that, for both males and females.